Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2020 Case IH 64412F folding cornhead. It's not hooked up to, because it's got a 540 PT on its valves and supply. But we'll fold it up right now and show you that it does actually operate. Guys are pretty good on it. The sprockets, chains, I think okay. There's a couple of dents on the auger here and there. I know we got a 6130. A little bit. This is a little more head than that combine's capable. This is a non-chopping. Troughs look pretty good. Okay, it's a 2021. Stand corrected. The roll knives are pretty decent. Poly's pretty good. Rain here in La Crosse today, which is something that nobody's had for quite some time. See, the couplers are all shaking. Coupler is good. Fold it over and see that it all goes right upwards. There it is. Thanks for watching the video. Appreciate it.